Delicious.
Delicious. Saturate those coils, I guess, huh?
This looks terrible.
Brown tint.
Oh, it's gonna do it! Oh my god.
Is this time?
Yeah, it's time for fries. Oh boy.
There it is. Dinner is served, boys.
Dinner is served. Just do it. Oh, you just Walmart show.
Cool hot rods.
Little Walmart car show. Great value. Is that good enough?
Yeah, those will do it.
It's good enough. Here's some mobile one.
The blazing
Cheese
dude.
and chicken.
Nah, look, the blazing wings look the best.
Pilgrim.
We're grabbing the blazing wings.
Crinklies. Great value. Lovely.
Are they trying to pull? All right.
All right, this is the important part here. What do we want to run?
Not Rotella.
Do we want full synthetic or do we want conventional?
I'm gonna recommend not synthetic.
Non-synthetic for this one.
Because conventional 520, dude.
Are we getting that?
Super
Yeah.
tech.
We need 4 of those.
You need 4 to fill that thing?
Yeah, I mean, it says 4 liter
4
on
liters.
it.
Of course, pretty close. So I'm gonna fill it up right there. It's about the size of the box. Must be good.
Yeah, all right, send it. Got that.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty legit.
It's fiberware, isn't it? Walmart's high quality. Instructions.
Yeah, we don't need those.
No?
Nah,
Just send it.
we're gonna send it.
How come there's...
Hey, look,
Oh, you got little
yeah,
ones.
we're running the dual baskets.
Gotcha.
So that wings on this side, fries on this side. Let's get the oil going here.
I'm on that horchata right now, though, dude. So good.
Could have had the good shit.
What is that?
Yeah, right, that's in my car right now.
Wait, we gotta take these.
Show them the super tech
Oh, we did.
display.
Delicious.
Delicious. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Saturate those coils, I guess, huh?
It doesn't even look that bad. I'm honestly gonna turn the heat on.
Just give it a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
dip and taste.
Right there, we're at 356 apparently.
Yeah, you need 350.
Let's check this real quick. Deep fry, yeah, it does say preheat fryer oil to 350.
Oh, that stinks.
Does it? Is it bad? It smells pretty. It smells
It's
like really
funny.
nasty
Oh, this.
gear oil.
Oh,
Yeah, it smells like nasty ass gear oil.
What's that remind you of?
Oh, that
Take a little taste.
dude, it does not smell.
Oh, that smells
Yeah,
horrible.
that actually smells really bad.
Oh, this is gonna be rough.
I don't think that's what cooking
Maybe
oil
not.
looks like.
It's a little red.
No,
Yeah.
definitely not.
This looks terrible.
Brown tint.
We're seeing what it looks like when it's actually heated, though.
Yeah.
You gotta put the lid on.
Take a little taste.
Lid on.
Lid on. And I think it'll say ready
It'll say-
when we're
yeah,
ready.
there's a little light there. Oh,
that
you're
true?
just in time.
Yeah.
Fry for 10 minutes, and these say 3 to 4 minutes.
Put the chicken in first.
Chicken in first? All right. Yeah, just get these going.
That's good.
We're solid. We're solid.
This
10 minutes.
these are 10
We're gonna do
minutes.
the
Those are
Okay,
4.
so you're gonna go 6, and then we'll throw the fries in.
Yeah.
A couple seconds. Oh, it's gonna do it! Oh my god.
Oh geez, hold on. Is this supposed to foam like that?
That's what it's.
Oh shit.
Do it! Oh my god.
We should probably keep an eye on it at least.
Let's get the fries ready.
Oh, it smells so.
That's probably. That's pretty solid. I'm pretty sure you
Got that? No, we're good. We're good. Oh, this actually smells
Keep
terrible.
looking through the window. Yeah.
Oh my.
It's so bad. Chicken wings!
It definitely doesn't smell good.
Internet, you should share, like, do whatever you got to do. That is definitely.
Subscribe with notifications right now.
Oh, don't breathe over the top of it. Let it go. Oh my!
Oh, he's gonna use.
It's not good. Wow, it's so bad. Whew. Okay, throw those fries in.
Is this time?
Yeah, it's time for fries.
Go slow. It's gonna soft up again. Oh shit.
All right, lid back on. Lid back on. Oh, you want it? All right. It doesn't smell good.
No, my lungs actually hurt.
I'll help calm it down a little bit. Pop some bubbles.
Have you worked at McDonald's before? Is that the timer?
It's the time.
Hold on. Use this box. Use the stock box.
Or that main
Here,
basket.
yeah. Put the big basket. I mean, they look cooked though. They look cooked and they look fine.
They're cooked.
Just throw the
Not
nugs
gonna
on
be
top.
good.
Get them on there. Get them on there. Oh boy.
There it is. Dinner is served, boys.
Dinner is served.
Oh no, Frank.
Ooh, it's crispy. Oh damn. That.
Some of that.
Don't touch one. Man.
I'm gonna eat one right out here. I'm gonna eat one.
Oh my god,
What's the consensus?
Savage.
It tastes like salt.
Does it taste? Oh no. Hold on.
Oh, dude, that's not good. You should try one.
I have to try. Here,
It
hold
tricks
this.
you.
Hold
It
this,
almost
Frank.
tastes like a French fry. Then the oil came on. Oh,
It tastes like salt, he says, and then.
did.
Oh no, she smells like oil.
Oh, it tastes so
Oh,
good at the
I tried
beginning.
to swallow it, but I couldn't. I like instantly gagged.
Oh, there's the oil.
Yeah.
Oh
Which one?
It's tricking you like a fucking.
swallowing it, though.
It's tricking you like a diet
I
soda.
have more in my mouth.
Wait,
not
you
good.
you still gotta take a big old
It's
bite out
not
of
good.
chicken wings.
What? Like
I did. Look, I swallowed, but it's not good.
You gotta take big bites out of the chicken wings.
Chicken wing won't be as bad because it won't be so much oil.
It just
Dude,
smells.
you gotta take
like,
a hearty
it
bite.
smells like when you have an oil
Oh,
leak.
let's watch Brandon. Here, take a real bite.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's hot as fuck.
It smells like when you have an oil leak and it's dripping on your headers.
Dude, get the chicken.
If you don't
Oh no!
Oh, we did.
Yeah, we should have put the sunscreen first.
Look at his face.
He's in like full concentration.
How much of the oil can you actually taste?
All of it.
All of the
Oh,
oil? Are you spitting that one out?
this is like
dude, he can't because you swallowed a French fry
I
over
did
here.
swallow the fry.
Oh no,
It's
there
out,
it goes.
it's out.
Oh, I swallowed
out.
Ella.
It's out. Oh, he did swallow a lot.
Yeah, no,
All
I
right, ready?
have the
Yep.
wing.
Just do it.
Hey, like
oil.
it's straight oil. Straight. Oh my god, it's burning my like. It's not hot, but like the poisonousness of the oil is.
I don't know if
I
I
would
would drink water though.
Oh, he's puking it.
I'm not puking.
They're both following. It's trash can time.
God, that is.
So bad. Ugh.
Oh,
I'm gonna puke. It's trying to come up.
yes.
It doesn't like me right now.
Puke wars. Puke wars.
Oh my god, it's stuck in my teeth. Like the pungency of the oil.
'Cause I think I could puke right now.
Oh, dude, he's gonna go.
Are you supposed to eat motor oil though?
No, you're not supposed to deep fry food with motor oil. Let that be a lesson learned for anybody watching.
It does work.
You can cook the food.
You can cook the food. It actually cooked the food, but the taste of it is so. It's pretty good.
No. It's not. Like, the fry
It's not.
wasn't that bad until the oil kicked on. But the second you bite into one of those wings and it gets on your teeth, immediate oil taste. It's disgusting. All right, we're done with this. I need to like rinse this out.
It's so thick.
Nice.
Basically 350.
It's so thick.
500 to engine oil. 760 to 870.
Oh, we're good.
But it's not
Oh
even.
no, sorry. That's full synthetic.
This is conventional?
500 to 700. So you're almost still only at three
still
something.
pretty
We're at 370.
Was it 370 or 350?
350 should be.
Yeah, I don't think it'll go over 350. Hold on,
Matt's got gloves on.
Wait for it.
Oh,
Drop one.
Oh, you can't eat that one now. I'm a little worried it's gonna overflow right now.
That's what we're worried about right now. If
Yeah,
it's
that's
gonna
why
froth
I'm
over.
Oh,
It's
this is
not
so
frothing
gross.
over. Just put the lid on. You're letting all the goodness out.
The goodness out.
Are these boneless or no?
I think so.
Pull it up again.
What? We gotta let it cook.
Whatever's in there.
He's using a jack handle.
Oh damn it!
All right, that's disgusting. It smells like it. So you're putting those in at 6 minutes?
Yeah, 6 minutes the fries go in.
All right, we got a minute 40.
Dude.
Oh, like a man. Yeah, get it.
He's gonna eat another one. Oh no.
I'm serious though. When you kill it,
Don't eat it, stop.
it's straight up motor oil.
Yeah. When you feel it.
We could literally put this in a car right now and lube something.
You think we could reuse this? Who's gonna put this in their engine? Oh, Brandon, what are you doing?
He's gonna eat one.
Straight up, like it's motor oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Literally motor oil.
Oh man.